Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the vinyl overlay kit for the front and rear badges. I purchased these on SubieSpeed, and we've got two of each so that we can, if we mess up, we can do it again. So I'm going to take you through the install process, and then we're going to do some beauty shots of the WRX with these bad boys on them. And guys, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing because I do stuff like this a lot, and I got a cool car, and there's going to be some cool shots, and yeah, stick through it. Thanks guys. The first step of this install is going to be taking a little bit of alcohol. This is 70% isopropanol alcohol. You can use whatever type you want. I've already cleaned that with some degreaser. And we're going to use some paper towels with this alcohol, so let's go ahead and clean it up. Once we've done that and cleaned that up, now that it's going to dry with the alcohol, we're going to actually take the front set, which is the smaller of the two, and we're going to throw it on there. I did some research, and all you have to do is really stick these things on and make sure that there's no bubbles. So let's check them out. And yeah guys, that was super easy. Let's go do the back one.